Bayou Classic 800 416 16-gallon stainless steel 6-piece brew kettle. The Bayou Classic 800 416 16-gallon stainless steel 6-piece brew kettle, as the name suggests, can provide you with adequate space to boil approximately 16 gallons of liquid. When you buy this particular product, you do not only get the main brew kettle that you will need in order to brew beer, but also the additional accessories that are required to do the job the right way. The kettle is made from a top-quality stainless steel material to ensure you get a product that is durable and that will not stain or rust after just a couple of uses. The Tri-ply bottom feature further adds to the overall durability and quality of the Bayou Classic 800 416 16-gallon stainless steel brew kettle. This particular kit comes at a relatively affordable price, considering the quality of the product. This ensures you do not have to spend too much on the equipment and tools that you need in order to make sure you can successfully brew your own beer.